Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple bicycle, kid bicycle in Solidworks. I hope you like it. So let's see how to do this bicycle, and we will make little animation at the end. So let's start. Now here let's make our first part of bicycle, steering. We make a steering handle. So let's start. Top plane, sketch, and here choose. Let us first define a center line. Now then choose play a line, connect it, exit. Now here let's create some relations. Select both the end of line and this mid line, symmetric relation. The same what we need to do it here, symmetric relation. Let's select these 2 points and center line, symmetric relation. That's it. Now let's define it. 70 millimeter, 40 millimeter, 17.6 millimeter, 45 millimeter, and let's make the distance from origin point 35 millimeter. Choose here fillet 6 millimeter and select these two ends. Okay. Now again change it to 26 millimeter. Select these two corners. Okay. I think we just undo one process. Okay. Keep only 26 millimeter. Okay. Now the last one is 8 millimeter. Okay. Now select extruded boss, 20 millimeter, and let's keep mid plane and condition. Let's define some color to this body. Select only extruded boss and let's choose some orange color. Now select here this body, sketch, select line, convert it into arc. Actually we want to make a half circle here. It's not going to exit. We don't want to make half actually. Center point arc. Now start from here, connect this point to, okay, exit. Now here select these 2 points, go inside. That's it. Now let's define this point. 4.75 millimeter and keep radius 12.5 millimeter. 11.1 millimeter. Okay. Now here choose offset. Keep 4 millimeter and select this line. Okay. Choose here line and connect it. Exit. Now this portion we want to keep, another all we need to extrude, cut, select extrude cut. Here select flip side to cut. That means the both side will going to cut through all. Okay, that's it. Okay. Now let's start to make the handle rod. Select backside, sketch normal. Draw a circle and let's keep the diameter 20 millimeter. And the distance from outer edge 15.82 millimeter, and select the circle center and origin horizontal. Now let's extrude it. And extrude up to 225 millimeter, and this rod we will assign. Okay, later we will assign. Now choose here right plane and create one plane 20 millimeter, just center to this circle. Okay. Now edit this rod, sketch normal, delete this relation and make 20 millimeter, exit. That's it. Now the plane in the main mid portion. Now let's do one thing. Select this plane, sketch normal. Now here we will extend this handle furthermore. Choose line. Let's draw one center line. Make sure it's center line. Delete this coincident relation, make little up. Choose here line, convert it into arc and take it down, exit. Now let's define this. $230 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 68 millimeter the radius, and let's make the gap 57.5 millimeter. Exit. Now hide this plane. Now here choose front plane, sketch circle, and let's draw a circle with this point. Keep diameter 30 millimeter. Exit. Now go to feature and select Swift Boss Base. Select this profile. Now you can see it here. Okay. Now let's choose front plane, mirror, and select this body, this extruded body, and just mirror it. That's it. Now select this face, sketch circle, center point, and draw a circle with 30 millimeter dia and extrude it. 150 millimeter but reverse direction. Okay, that's it. Let's try to create one plane, front plane, and make it 50 millimeter. Okay. Now select this front plane to sketch, take the position, and here we will make our geometry. So first make a center line, vertical, and just drag it star point and put in center point. Select star point and this line, make sure coincide. Okay, now let's select here line and start our geometry. And select up to here and this line and connect with this exit. Okay, up to here. Hide this plane. Now let's try vertical line. 11 mm, exit star point and put this star here at the center. Or do one thing, delete this line. We need to again put one star here. That's it. Line. Now let's define this gap. 11 mm, we are missing with this lines, so just delete this again and draw a center line from top. Here we will get the midpoint. Okay, exit. That's it. Now let's move. 11 mm. Okay, make collinear relation. Ten by 10 mm, and here also keep 10 mm. Select circle, trim entity, trim to closest. Okay, 38 mm, 25 mm. Okay, Let's define some angle. 115 degree, 3 millimeter. Okay, star point put in center. Now define this distance from star point to bottom line. 38.75. Oh, it's missing actually. Let's try to create one. That's it. Midline. That's it. Now fix distance from here to bottom line. 38.75 millimeter. That's it. Radius keep 10 millimeter. Now overall distance check 90 millimeter only. Fillet 30 millimeter. Now let's choose 4 millimeter and select these corners. Okay. Now select here fully defined sketch, calculate. It's showing some error, but this is what we need actually. We don't need anything more, so just select extruded boss. 4 millimeter. You can see it's outside. Unmerge result. Okay. Now just change the color to orange. Front plane and just mirror this. Okay. Select body, mirror. That's it. See, it's mirror. Now here let's try some, we want to make some handle here. So choose front plane, sketch, and here select circle. Draw a circle and let's make diameter 25 millimeter. Okay. Now select this circle and this circle and make relation here concentric. Okay. Now see. Now exit. Now let's create a plane because we want to use this as a, or directly choose. Now let's create the, actually we want to create some handle here. Choose here line. Select this center point. Press tab key. Okay. This direction. Exit. Now let's define this 67 millimeter. Okay. Choose star point and put somewhere here. Exit. Now let's select this face and take the normal position. Okay. Now this is the our star point. I hope you are easily. Now select center point and this, press tab key and let's define the distance 29 millimeter. 29.5 millimeter. Now again select this point and this point. Press tab key, again tab key and define vertical distance 107.8 millimeter. That's it. Now just take little position and define the distance from here to this point 125 millimeter. Okay, choose line and connect this point to this point. Exit. That's it. Now again choose star point and put somewhere above. Exit. Select this point face, sketch this star point, drag it here somewhere. tab key and define gap 103.5 millimeter. Then again tab and define vertical distance 172 millimeter. Let's rotate it. Now define the distance end of the first star point to second star point 156.6 millimeter. Okay, choose line and connect it from this star point, exit. Now see, this is our geometry is fully defined. So choose fillet 72 millimeter, select these two corners, press OK, or select these two lines, OK, exit. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to feature and select here sweep to boss base. See, profile selected, path selected, just select profile. See, OK. Now here we let's assign some metal color 1, 2, 3, okay. These bodies we go to appearance, steel and polished stainless steel. Check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one chrome plating. That's it. It looks real steel. Now choose front plane, mirror, select this body. Okay, now see, it's mirror. Again choose front plane, sketch, normal. Now here we want to connect (19mm), 63mm, 25mm. Okay, now simply exit. Now choose here 3D sketch, spline, and select this point 2, 3 and center point of this circle, exit. Take okay, do one thing, just delete it. Select spline, directly connect from this point to, if you will go here you will find center point, connect it, exit. Now just drag it, that's it, that's fine, it looks better, exit, sweep to boss base. You can see the preview. Okay, now just try to choose front plane, mirror, and select this body, mirror. That's it. It's not look perfect, so go to 3D sketch, select this circle and this spline, take little upward, or select this arrow along x-axis. I think delete all. Y-axis also we don't need. Try z-axis. Okay, the z-axis is perfect. Exit. Now see, it looks perfect shape. Select these two bodies, chrome plate. That's it. Now here we will make rubber gloves or for handle. Select this face, sketch, circle, and make circle 31.7 millimeter and extrude. Extrude up to 123 millimeter reverse direction. Okay. Select the back surface, sketch, circle, and here draw a bigger circle. 61.5 millimeter. -60 millimeter extrude, 4 millimeter reverse direction. Okay. Sketch circle. Let's create this one. 40 millimeter extrude, 4 millimeter reverse direction. Okay. Now select last three extruded bodies and define some metal color, rubber, matte rubber. Back side also. Front plane, mirror, and select these three bodies. Extruded part 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now that's it. Fill it. Edit. Clear. And select last three extruded boss 5, 6, 7. Now that's fine. Choose here fillet. Select this face, this face, this face. Okay. Again choose fillet. Keep 10 millimeter. Select the inside of rubber. Okay. Now choose both the fillets and define rubber mat. That's it. Now select this face or we want to actually extrude this one little more. Sketch, convert entity. Now this is converted. Select this face, convert entities. Now select extruded boss. And select up to vertex. Let's choose we need to find a center point of any circle. Okay, let's make a blind 4.75 millimeter. Okay, now again choose the same face, sketch, convert entity, this face also. Actually cancel it, we don't want to convert it actually. Front plane, sketch, normal. Select here circle, and this is the midpoint circle. Choose here line up to end point. Exit. Make it vertical. 15 millimeter. Trim entity and trim this half circle. Okay. Extruded boss. Now this faces we want to extrude. Mid plane. $40. Okay. Edit and unmerge result. So we will fill two body and let's keep fillet. Six millimeter. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, convert entity. Now select this face also, convert entity. Now this face is converted. Extruded cut. Select these two faces. That's it. This is enough 40 millimeter. Okay. That's it. Now select this body and define a color. Orange, same color we will put it. Okay. Now that's it. Now select this face, sketch, choose here polygon, just find out the center point and draw one polygon, and let's keep the distance 40 millimeter and extrude 5 millimeter, make it reverse. Okay. Again select the back surface, sketch, circle, and find out the center point and draw a circle with 44 millimeter dia. Make little bigger. That it should cover this 50 millimeter, extrude 5 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Fill it. 2 millimeter. Select this face and this. Actually, we need to select only one face. Okay. So now bottom all the body should be chrome plate. Now here we want to fix one bolt. Sketch circle. Twelve, 23 millimeter. Okay. Select here extruded cut. $20 millimeter. I sketch. Convert entity. Now this whole line is converted. Sketch. Exit. Now delete rest of all box. Fill it. 6 millimeter. Okay, no need here. Fill it. Offset. Reverse. Undo. Reverse. Okay. Cut 2 millimeter. We don't want to cut this one, so just edit and here select this face we want to cut. Okay, that's it. Now here we will fix one bolt. Sketch. $17 millimeter and extrude. $5 millimeter. Fill it. 0.5. Okay. Steel, satin finish stainless steel. So this is the our handle, our bicycle handle. So let's save this. Desktop. Create one folder. Bicycle. make it part 1 steering. Let's now here let's make our next part bicycle frame.